Hello everyone! If you're looking for a job, so ito po yung fit na fit sa inyo. Punta lang po kayo dito sa freeup.net. Ito po yung job site, freeup.net. So ito po yung logo ng freeup, and then you can apply as freelancer. You can sign up your account. So, get more done faster. High free-bidded freelancers are top talents at working as a freelancer. Ano po yung mga access to the top 1% of online talent. We recruit, interview, and vet thousands of freelancers each week for their skills, communication, attitude. We only let in the top 1% of applicants, so you get access to the best of the best from the start. Hire within days, not weeks or months. We'll pair you with qualified candidate based on your job description within 24 hours, so you can get to work faster than ever before. Concierge level support and service. Need figuring out who to hire next or the best way to execute your project. Speak to one of our account managers and will guide you every step of the way. Hassle-free billing, no turnover guarantee, stellar 24/7 support. Top remote talent, web development, graphic design, customer service, digital marketing, Amazon, copywriting. To say that we have changed our life is absolute understanding. So this is the CEO. Choose from the three levels of expertise. So entry level is you can charge $5 to $15 per hour. Entry level freelancers are perfect for business that already have system and process. Middle level $15 to $30 per hour. Expert level is $30 to $75 per hour. Submit a job request for today. Top skill at freeup. So virtual assistants, graphic designers, logo designers, UI, I don't know this. Web developers, web designers, Shopify developers, WordPress developers, mobile app developers, PHP developers, bookkeepers, Google AdWords expert, Facebook ad specialist, lead generation, email marketing consultant, CEO expert, SEO experts, blog writers, copywriters, video editors, social media manager, sales representative, live chat agent, customer service representative, and data entry. So, yun po yung mga top skills at freeup. So, ito po yung mga kailangan nila. If you want to apply in freeup, ito po yung mga available na trabaho, skills na kailangan nila. So, what are you waiting for? Punta na po kayo sa freeup at mag-sign up na po kayo and mag-apply na po kayo as freelancer. I hope na nakatulong itong video na to, and please don't forget to like and subscribe sa akin channel. Thank you.